replacing the drum on the SL8, the first thing you need to do is remove the belt. To do that, you remove the belt cover. Using a screwdriver, all you need to do, put the drum to the ground, roll it forward, and the belt will pop off. Holding the motor, lean the machine back, and you're ready to remove the drum. After you remove the belt, you take your 1/4-inch wrench and remove the 2 end caps. Slide it in, spin it. There's 4 of them. Your SL8 drum exchange will come just like this, with the bearings, the boots, the pulley, nut and washer all set to go on your machine. Take your old one off like we just did, take the new one, set it in the chassis, and replace the end caps. Once all 4 are in, you need to replace the belt. This last video is to put the belt back on the drum after we replace the drum. Tilt the machine back up. Make sure the motor is engaged. Take the belt, run it to the front of the drum pulley. Push the motor down, roll it forward, and the belt will slide right on in place. Replace the belt cover, put it on tight, and your machine's ready to go. Don't forget to send back your drum using the call tag. It'll be attached to the drum you're taking out of the box. It's right with your sales order. Try not to lose it. Thanks.